Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 28th of April. I'm going to move on to Euro-Dollar now, and Euro-Dollar has significantly improved actually in terms of outlook since I've written the morning report this morning. The European trading has fairly gone against the dollar, and that has shown a sharp improvement in Euro-Dollar in the early hours today. It had looked initially as though that Euro-Dollar was again struggling to really push on, and had been falling over in the Asian trading, but that move to the upside has shown a breakout above that 65 mark, which is a key level within this consolidation band. It does sort of suggest that the euro bulls are still in control, but you've seen here already today. You've got an outside day. Totally encompassing Friday's trading pattern, so it shows a bit of uncertainty, but at the moment it looks like that is pushing to the upside, and that the bulls are back in control. I'll show you the intraday chart, and that is the sharp move that we've had to the upside, breaking above that 65 mark, and it, as I said, it sort of now does reopen these highs around $1.39. Although I think in the very near term, this move is just unwinding from 38.75. To be honest, it's just come back towards this gap down that we saw the other day at 38.78. That was following on from the open last Monday. Or no, sorry, not last Monday, 2 Mondays ago. But it just seems to me as though you might see a bit of a correction back down, perhaps into this support band 38.54 to 38.48. That sort of area that could see a correction back into there. Unwinding that before we see further upside, because I'm not convinced that this move in Euro-Dollar is going to be necessarily sustained today. There's a hell of a lot of economic data out this week that's going to move Euro-Dollar, not the least of which is the inflation, Eurozone inflation data that comes out on Wednesday, and also the GDP numbers for the States as well. So I think there's a significant amount of volatility that we're going to see in this chart this week, and I think perhaps you need to be mindful of that when you run any positions, because you could see profits eroded quite quickly from any moves to the upside, profits taken, and there could be sharp moves in both directions this week with all this data running around. So as I said, I think there could be a bit of a retracement back towards this band of support around the 38.50 mark, and you would certainly argue that the intraday technicals on the Euro-Dollar chart are fairly positive. But as I said, the volatility that we could see this week it may induce a bit of profit taking, and with the RSI up towards 70 once more, which throughout this consolidation period that we've seen Euro-Dollar trading for the past couple of weeks, that suggests that that might be a chance to take a bit of profit anyway. So just watch out for that today. Pending home sales at 3 o'clock could have an impact on this chart, certainly if you've got an improved number of the pending home sales. 95.3, as I said earlier, is the data that we're looking for as the expectation. Anything above that would be dollar positive, so that would drag Euro-Dollar lower. So just be mindful of that at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Okay, I wish you good luck, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.